everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center, where learning English is simple, enjoyable, and practical. I'm Jessica.
Hi, Jessica, and hello to all of you watching and listening today. It's really great to be here. I'm truly happy to spend this time with you.
It's wonderful to see you too, Mike. You look especially cheerful today.
I really am. It's a brand new year and the start of a second week, so I'm feeling positive and motivated. How about you, Jessica? How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you for asking. I'm a little busy these days, but honestly, I don't mind that at all.
Busy can be a good thing. But before we talk about our busy routines, there's something important we should remind our friends to do, right?
Oh yes, absolutely, Mike. Everyone, if you're enjoying our podcast, please take a moment and click the like button right now.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center. Your support really helps us, and it motivates us to create many more English podcasts for you this year.
Also, please share this episode with your friends and family. If someone you know is learning English, they can listen along and learn with us too.
Exactly. Sharing really is caring.
It truly is. So, Mike, it's January, the very beginning of the year.
Yes, it's the second week of January. This is the time when everyone is talking about new plans, goals, and routines.
That's right. And today we're going to talk about our week, what we usually do from Monday all the way to Sunday.
That's a great topic, Jessica. A week has 7 days, and each day feels a little different.
Very true. For me, the week always starts on Monday. Mike, let me ask you, do you like Mondays?
That's a tough question. On Monday mornings, I'm usually very tired. My bed feels warm, cozy, and very difficult to leave.
Same here. My alarm clock rings at 7 a.m. Beep, beep, beep. And I immediately think, oh no, not yet.
Exactly. But then I remember one important thing: coffee. I really love coffee, so I go straight to the kitchen and make myself a big hot cup.
Ah, yes, coffee definitely helps. On Mondays, I also try to stay very organized. I open my notebook and write a clear to-do list.
A to-do list is a great idea. Jessica, what's usually on your list for Mondays?
Well, I have quite a few emails to answer, and I also need to go to the office.
The office? Is it far from where you live?
No, not really. I usually take the bus. I enjoy it because I can listen to music or read a book during the ride.
That sounds nice. I usually walk to work. It's good exercise, but in January it's quite cold, so I wear a thick coat and a warm hat.
Walking is great for health. So when you arrive at work on Monday, what's the first thing you do?
First, I greet my colleagues. I smile and say, "How are you?" Just like we talked about in another episode.
Very good, Mike. Confidence is really important at work.
Yes, and after that, I check my computer. Mondays are full of meetings. Meetings, meetings, and more meetings.
Oh yes, I know that feeling. Monday is definitely the meeting day. Everyone wants to talk about the new week.
Exactly. Then comes Tuesday, which already feels a little better than Monday.
I agree. On Tuesdays, I usually go to the gym after work. That's part of my new January plan.
The gym? That's impressive, Jessica. Is it difficult?
It's a bit challenging, but I feel strong afterward. I stay for about an hour, walking on the machine and lifting light weights.
I really should go to the gym too, but in January it's always very crowded. Everyone has the same resolution.
That's true. Everyone wants to be healthier in the new year.
On Tuesdays, I also like to cook a big dinner. I go to the supermarket and buy chicken and lots of vegetables.
Chicken and vegetables, very healthy choices. Do you make a shopping list, Mike?
Yes, I do. After our conversation about money, I use a list so I don't buy too many cookies.
Good decision. On Tuesdays, it's needs only, no wants.
Exactly. Then we reach Wednesday, the middle of the week.
Some people even call it Hump Day.
Hump Day. That's an interesting name. Why do they call it that?
Because it's like climbing a hill. You go up on Monday and Tuesday, reach the top on Wednesday, and then head down toward the weekend.
I like that idea. Wednesdays are nice. In the evening, I usually meet my friend Maria.
Ah, yes, Maria, the one who's getting married.
That's right. We go to a small cafe, talk about her wedding plans, and chat about our week. It's very relaxing.
That sounds lovely. A midweek break like that is really important.
What about you, Jessica? What do you usually do on Wednesdays?
Wednesday is my cleaning day. After work, I clean my apartment, washing dishes and cleaning the floor.
Wow, that's a productive Wednesday.
It is, but I enjoy it. A clean home makes me feel calm and happy.
I completely understand. A clean house really is a happy house.
Then comes Thursday. Thursday is great because Friday is almost here.
Yes, but by Thursday, I'm usually very tired. I don't go to the gym, I stay home and watch a movie instead.
What kind of movies do you like, Mike?
I love comedies. Laughing helps me forget about stress from work.
Laughing really is the best medicine.
On Thursdays, I study English. I read a book and practice new vocabulary.
That's excellent, Mike. You're a very dedicated student.
Thank you. I try to improve a little every day.
And finally, it's Friday, the best day of the week.
Oh yes, everyone loves Friday. The energy in the office changes completely.
Exactly. When work ends, everyone says, "Have a great weekend."
What do you usually do Friday night, Jessica?
Most of the time, I'm tired. I usually order pizza, cheese pizza with lots of vegetables.
Friday pizza is a tradition. I usually watch football on TV.
You really enjoy sports, don't you, Mike?
I do. It's exciting. And then the weekend begins, Saturday.
Ah, Saturday, my favorite day. I sleep until 9 a.m., no alarm.
Wow, 9 o'clock. I wake up around 8.
That's still late for you. On Saturday mornings, I go to the park.
I go to the farmer's market and buy fresh bread and fruit.
Just like the story of Maria and Leo.
Yes, but I make sure I don't drop my apples.
Saturday night is for friends. We go out to eat and talk for hours.
Friends really do make life better.
They do. And then comes Sunday, the final day of the week.
Sunday is slow. I make a big breakfast and visit my parents.
That's very nice, Mike. Family time is important.
My parents even listen to Mr. English Learning Center. They say my English is improving.
That's so sweet. Hello to Mike's parents.
Sunday evening, I feel a little sad because Monday is coming.
I understand the Sunday blues. Rest is important too.
Yes, a good rest helps us start again.
So, Mike, we talked about a full week.
Yes, from Monday meetings to Sunday lunch. Life is busy, but good.
English learners, your week is busy too. Please tell us about it.
Leave a comment and tell us your favorite day of the week.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Mr. English Learning Center.
It really helps us.
Have a wonderful week, everyone.
Goodbye, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.